My name is Howard Ko. I'm the executive chef at C'est La Vie, and today I will be preparing a sushi rice risotto with black truffles and butternut squash. I really liked the demands and the high intensity of the kitchen. I think as a young kid I needed a little discipline, and I think the kitchen kind of showed me that. I grew up with only a single mom, so she was always working, so I'd have to cook for my brother. And I always ended up loving to cook. When I turned 18, I moved to New York, just knocked on Restaurant Danielle's door like 5 times before he said yes to be his prep cook for free. As we are a contemporary Asian restaurant, that doesn't mean that we are just a full Asian restaurant. We take stuff from other cultures to make it very interesting, and that's what makes up the cuisine at C'est La Vie. I've worked in Michelin-star restaurants for over 12 years, and one of the only things I've made at every restaurant was risotto. So it's one of the things that I've made so many times that I wanted to recreate something here, but I didn't want to use risotto arborio rice, which is the regular risotto rice. So we wanted to recreate something utilizing Asian ingredients, and especially the sushi rice, which is very different. I think the highlight is to be recognized for our service and our food in the Michelin Guide. You know, it's very, very rewarding. And also creating a space for all of my cooks to learn. I think the most important thing that we can do in this industry is to give back and teach as much as we can for the next generation.